Okay, welcome back. And here I am, still in the terminal. Now I'm about to try something that I haven't tried before. I'm going to try to add a backport repository, and based on my notes, I'm going to have to go and into Nano, create a list file, and then from there, set the web address for the bookworm backport's main file, and then from there do the installation of that package. So let's see how this works. I'm not sure if it's going to. So let's first start with nano, and we're going to go into this directory, etc apt sources list D. I'm assuming it's our database. So let's type this out. Patience, please. Here we go. Sources dot list dot D. Get your minds out of the gutter. Now, from there, we title it Backports with an S, yes, dot list. I'm assuming I'm creating this list file or I'm opening up this list file, one or the other. Let's see what happens. Alright, I'm in Nano, so it looks like I'm creating it. So, since I didn't see any other code, that means I'm just putting in this web address, and it should go there. If it doesn't work, well, that's on me. Kind of bugs me, it says just HTTP and not HTTPS, but we'll see. So it's dev.org, Debian.org. And then from there we go to Debian space bookworm. And that's dash backports. Space main. And then from there I should save it. Let's see. So I'm assuming I'm going to have to write this out. Why can't they just call it save? Let me see. It's supposed to be... I'll go with control. And now we are going to append, prepend, DOS format. Whatever the good old-fashioned exit. We'll see here. Let's try this out right now. Since I'm on a Linux machine, let's go with Mac format. That would be this might not work. No. Okay. I think I just killed myself. Oh, there it is. Save file under different name.
Hey, can you hear me?
Let's see. No.
Boomerang?
And so I guess I don't have to do that.
No, it's just I didn't see your message that you were on my Discord.
And then we'll just go here.
I'm like,
Control
I was trying to get my
X.
snacks before the Legion thing started.
Okay. Back at root. Let's type this in and see if it works. apt install and -t
So what are you
space
up to?
bookworm. Not bootworm, bookworm. Dash backports package name.
Yeah.
Space package name. No equals just a dash name. And let's see if it works. Well, it's official. This did not work. So my last step here is to get out of this and reboot because I want to see if time shift is going to work.
Yeah. Right.
And I always like the way this thing kicks in right away. There's microloader. And there we go. Hopefully my end result will be the time shift kicks in and all my work has been saved, including my mess ups. But we'll see.
That sounds like it should have been done years ago. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. And let's just check to see if time shift actually worked.
Hmm.
It doesn't look like it worked, so I guess I would have to do it manually or go through the wizard and check it out again. I'll create another, and I'm not going to keep
I know there's still a
waiting.
lot of people who like
So
the
have a good
Debian.
evening.